Let's bring our hands to the shins to begin the warm-up series, the Spinal Flex Warmup series. And pressing your hands into the shins, let that help your spine come forward and then arch back. Inhale forward, exhale back. Close your eyes, focus on the third eye point. Start off slowly. Get acclimated with your breath in your body. As you feel your body getting warmer, you can speed up if you wish, or if this feels really good, just stay at this pace. Inhale the spine tall, pull root lock and hold, squeezing the pelvic floor in and up. And exhale. Bring your hands to the knees and begin Sufi circles, rotating at the waist. So we're doing the Spinal Flex Warmups, and we're going to systematically do the exercises so that we're working from the base of our spine and moving upwards from there. So inhale forward, exhale back. And the next time your body comes forward at the top of your inhale, pause for a moment and reverse directions. Next time your body comes forward at the top of your inhale, bring your spine tall and center, pull root lock and hold. And exhale. Bring your hands to your shoulders, fingers in front, thumbs in back, elbows up. And then on the inhale, twist left, exhale, twist right. Inhale left, exhale right. The body follow the breath. Inhale, center, pull root lock and hold. And exhale, and bring your hands to the knees, lock the elbows, keep the arms straight. And then begin spine flexes again. And this time with this arm straight, this brings the spinal flex movement to the thoracic spine, the upper spine. And if it's feeling a little tighter than the original spine flex, that is absolutely normal. Inhale forward, exhale back. Once again, the default drishti or eye focus is at the third eye point. That helps to stimulate the pituitary gland. Increase your intuition. Inhale the spine tall, pull root lock and hold. And exhale and relax the arms. And then begin shoulder shrugs, inhaling the shoulders up to your ears, and exhale and drop. And you can do that moderate to fast pace. Again, inhale up, exhale down. This is an excellent exercise for those that carry a lot of pressure, stress in the shoulders and neck area. If you do that, you might want to even practice this 3 minutes a day. And before you know it, you'll feel more relaxed in the shoulder area. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale the shoulders up and hold. Check the neck, make sure that's relaxed. And exhale the shoulders down. Right ear to your right shoulder, and let's begin neck rolls. Inhale the head back to the left, and then exhale the chin to the chest. Keep the spine tall. Inhale back, exhale forward, and just go at a pace that feels right for your neck. Check in with your body. And it may be that you're not making as wide a circle as I may be. Sometimes I make smaller circles as if I've got a neck brace on. It just really depends on how my neck is feeling that day. And the next time your chin comes to your chest at the bottom of the exhale, hold. Keep the spine tall. You may feel a stretch going down the back of the neck. And then reverse directions. Again, inhale as you go back, exhale as you come forward. Next time your chin comes to your chest, at the bottom of the exhale, pause. Again, check and make sure the spine is tall. And then inhale the head straight forward, lengthen the spine just a little bit more. Pull root lock. And exhale. And then bring the legs forward for the final exercise, and we're going to bring this down to the hamstrings, and this is called the life nerve stretch. So flex the feet, bringing the toes in towards you, and press the sitting bones into the earth to help lift the spine tall. Inhale deeply, and then exhale and bring the navel center towards the thighs. It really doesn't matter how far down you go. If you can come all the way down, great. If not, it could just look like this. Okay, and just keep the neck straight, and just let the head follow. And if you can, take your peace fingers and wrap the peace fingers around the big toes. Press the thumbs into the big toenail. That's another pressure point for the pituitary. And inhale and come up halfway. And exhale. And again, navel center towards the spine, towards the thighs. Inhale up, exhale down. If you can't reach the toes and you can grab the ankles or the shins, just grab a hold of them and just inhale up and exhale down, just like this. And just, again, go at a pace that feels right. You can do this really slowly, going at the pace of a long, deep breath. If you feel prompted to go faster, that's fine as well. Just let the hamstrings tell you how far down to come. Inhale halfway up, hold the position, and then exhale down again. And then stay there and just relax your breath and just breathe a couple of breaths. Inhale and come all the way up. And then exhale and just shake out the legs gently. Come back to easy pose. And that's the spinal flex warm-ups. Set now.